Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how to add a custom cursor in Framer. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little different. So yeah, before starting, make sure that you have a Framer account ready and your project is open. So first you will open your Framer project, which is right here. I already have it. And then you will just have to select the page that you would want to edit, and then next you will just click the insert, which is right here, and you will just have to look for code black, and then you will just click on it. And once you click on it, you will just have to in the code editor, by the way, you will just have to paste your custom cursor code right here. So just click the custom cursor first, and then you will just have to again paste your custom cursor code, and this usually involves CSS and JavaScript to replace the default pointer, by the way. And after that, you will just have to adjust the cursor properties such as the size, the color, the animations, and then you will click preview to test the cursor. And once you're satisfied, you will just have to click publish to make the changes live. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope that it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.